Thinking about starting your own laundry service in Malaysia? With the fast-paced lifestyle and growing urban population, laundry businesses are in high demand. Let's explore how you can get started. First, decide on your business model: a self-service laundromat, a full-service laundry, or even a mobile pickup and delivery service. Each has its own startup costs and customer base. Next, register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Depending on your scale, you may also need a local council license and to comply with hygiene and safety standards. Equipment is key. Invest in high-quality washers, dryers, and detergents. Reliable machines not only save energy, but also keep customers coming back. Don't forget marketing. Use social media, offer loyalty cards, or partner with nearby hostels and student housing to build a steady stream of customers. With proper planning and customer focus, your laundry service can thrive in Malaysia's growing urban market. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, your trusted partner in starting and growing businesses.